Boogie boys, let's go racing. Yeehaw. This morning, guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, of course. If you guys haven't already seen the Origins videos, they are up now. And there was also a little like mini meet that we went to. Obviously just clowning around over there really quick. You know, I don't really see the groups that were there. I didn't really see any of the banners, but it is what it is with that one, guys. We are headed right now to the city of La Puente. Originally, we were going to go to State of Speed over there in Gardena. However, though, same content, guys. So definitely today, we're going to be chasing out some American content. I got the Ford shirt on. We're going to be seeing some Ford Mustangs later on. After that, we're going to take it back old school style at the Pomona swap meet with some classic lowriders. So stay tuned, guys. If you don't want to miss out, hit that subscription button, help your boy out grow. And yeah, we'll catch you guys over there in the city of La Puente. Trumpets, they go. Shout out to VQ Society, or yeah, I think he's from VQ Society. That guy was pretty cool. Couldn't really get the best kind of roller. Still getting used to everything, guys. But that's always exciting to see. I'm assuming he's going the same way we're going. Dang, I don't know if he's gonna be going. He's got to get in the right lane, but that thing's hella static, guys. It's pretty clean though. Hell yeah, American morning, let's get it. I know our friend Safety Ray is gonna be here, guys, so that's always, you know, dope having a good companion here. And I guess we'll just park somewhere because, you know, I'm in a GDM car. Not really, it's just a daily car. But yeah, let's park up and then walk around. After that, we're gonna head out to go see some Mustangs. Alright, so we were able to meet up with Safety Ray and his lady and his other cars actually here today. And there's, you know, nice Corvettes over here. This one right here has to be my favorite. But now we are gonna be headed out to the Mustang meet out there by Irwindale. So let's get it. Good morning, America. So many crowd-pleasing cars right here, guys. And I'm just gonna catch this strip of cars for y'all. Ford Lightning, old Fords, lots of Fords, guys. Gang of Mustangs. Oh man, look at that one. Even in old school. That's the Shelby we see on the freeway. Highway Patrol right there. Uh-oh. Big one. We got the four-banger Fords here. What the? Why is it so long? Alright, it's about to piss off a lot of people, but I want to show you guys majority of the cars in this lane really quick. Alright guys, so before security comes over here and kicks me out, this definitely is a very large Ford meet here, and this is barely even starting in the event. Of course, the drag strips, I'm pretty sure it'll be super sick. Lots of Shelbys, lots of rare cars, GT500s down that way, tons of Mustangs. Freedom in one parking lot, guys. Wow. Zoom in on for you guys over here. Look at this. So many different Mustangs. Looks like he had a see-through blower on his car. I think that's exactly what it was. Yeah, hold on. Yep, that's exactly what it was. Even the fenders are like pushed out. Or they're not bolted down. That's crazy, guys. But yeah, on to our third thing. It's gonna be in the city of Pomona at the Pomona Swap Meet Classic Cars. So let's go ahead and see some lowriders. Got the Ford shirt on, guys, but you already know the business. We can't get in, obviously, you know, unless we pay for it. But yeah, let's go on to our third location. Alright guys, so right off the bat, we're here in Pomona. There's a Sasquatch edition. If you guys haven't seen Goon Squat's videos, we built one of these. I made it taller than ever. I personally like the 2-door version and the 4-door version. That one looks too Pony Expressed. But we are parked over here at the golf course. Let's find out what happens if we have a car when we come back. I'm pretty sure no one's gonna snitch or say anything, but you already know, as a swap meet, they're gonna cost expensive for parking. So let's go ahead and see if we can get out of here, and then after that, head over there to the Pomona Fairgrounds. Let's get. Porsche Panamera right there, looking hella clean on some wheels. Made it past one area. Let's see about the parking stuff right now. Whew. Made it in, boys. Made it in. There's a couple that came in front and they had tickets, and luckily I had this little tiny ball. So I was up here playing with it, and shoot, we made it in, guys. So let's go ahead and see what's around here. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of everything. And ready? Swap meet, boys, let's get it. All right, all this stuff is pretty cool. What you normally see in a swap meet. They got the Porsche wheels for the Volkswagens, a bunch of random glasses, all these lovely license plates on the ground. Hell yeah. But what I really want to show you guys is the show cars, because I don't own a Beetle, but if y'all own a Beetle, y'all want to come down here and copy some parts. There's some BMW. There's a whole entire engine block on there. Looks pretty clean. I want to show you guys the good stuff. So let's head out of here in the Volkswagen land. And let's go see the show cars. Hell yeah. Look at that RC car. Excuse me.
Que no tenían voz, que nada más era pura cuaja. Cuando la hicieron,
15K for this. It's basically like buying a whole house. Rattle Cannon paint job special. So looks like they are selling a bunch of cars here, guys. This is a swap meet, so makes sense, right? All the Beetles in the world. It's like we went from an all-American morning to an all-Germany morning. All Euro. But we're just gonna keep on walking on, guys. Ah, man. Oh, man. Alright guys, so there's tons of cars here. Definitely did not disappoint today. You know, I didn't go to Cruising PCH because, you know, I wanted to try out different content for you guys. But definitely down here, tons of classic cars, a lot of good cars for sale. Wish I had the money to like pick up any of these cars, guys. You see the trucks, 11K, 10K. Obviously you can haggle down the price, guys. It's a swap meet. That's what this swap meet's all about, swapping things, you know? If you guys got something interesting, trade it in. Obviously it has to be like a lowrider or something. Shoot, if only it was that easy with the Fiat or even the Nissan, get rid of it. But I'm gonna kind of just quickly show you guys everything, because like always, your boy didn't charge the camera, but that's okay. You know, it was a busy morning this morning, driving from town to town. Hell yeah. This has definitely been a great experience down here. The cars just do not stop. They've got Chevys, they've got the Cougars, they've got Beetles, Ford, Dodge, lots of Impalas. The place just doesn't end, guys. It's just a huge stretch of cars all over the place. If you guys are in the Cali area, Pomona, swap meet, this place does not disappoint, truly. If y'all want to see some classic cars, cop you some parts for your builds. They've even got the vet side over here. Let's go see what's over there, because there wasn't too many vets this morning, but let's go see what they have over here. Hit that subscription button, help your boy out grow. 2023. We are losing a lot of legends, but let's not let that eat us up too much. And let's get it, guys. Sheesh, look at the tires on this one. Super thick. 315 35 R17s. Man, it's massive. Corvetts. Safety Ray, where are you at, brother? You would have loved this. We seen one of these this morning. Look at that one, 7,000. Hey man, I know you collect Corvette, Safety Ray. So 7K, get you another one. I think you can do it, brother. 3 Corvettes, hell yeah. If I had the money, I'd do a lot more Fiats of all different models. So right over that way is all the different trucks where all these cars came from, guys. Holy hell. Definitely this is probably where all the Corvettes came from this morning, sadly. Look at this one right here. Chevy Corvette. Hell yeah. 125K? Sheesh. That or the newer ZR1s. We were talking about the 3 ZRs. Look, this one's for sale. That's sick. Hell yeah, guys. Pomona does not disappoint right here. This one they want 30 grand. Wow. Grand Sport. C7, C8s, C7s. 13,000 right here. Come on, Safety Ray. This is definitely somewhere to be spending your entire day, guys. It's got wheels of all sorts, parts, all different kind of cars. Vendor side or swap meet side. That's so crazy, man. Cars, product, vintage stuff. So if you guys are like me and you know you like to keep vintage things around your house, live a little old school style. 80s disco freestyle. These kids can never. Wow, look at all these signs. That is so clean. 101, 1,250. Sheesh. We took a McDonald's exit sign and selling it over here. Hell yeah. Nice. Fender liners. So many stuff, guys. The list goes on. Full wraps with the Corvetts, Camaros, Chevy Life. Sneak right behind. Mongoose bike. Used to have one of those back in the day. And yes, I used to be a Max, but that's the old life. That steering wheel? Sheesh. Look at that wrench. Holy hell. Got that thing ripped apart. Man, look at these junkyard cars right here. Barn finds. Damn near ripped the whole quarter off. That's insane looking. Parting out. So they advise you to bring your grinders and tools out here. Couldn't imagine walking around with tools trying to find this section of the booth because it's so far away from the fence. Nice. Chevy Nomad right here. Very beautiful with the blue interior as well. Got all these headlights. So you could buy a red car down there, right? Come over here, haggle a price out for parts. Hot Wheel vendors. Nescafe. Hell yeah. I like that tent. Look at this engine setup right here. For only $2 grand. It's not bad. Pack a lot of engine in that one. Another Hot Wheel vendor. And there is a lot of people here too, guys, that sell USBs to have music on them. 150 bucks. Do all these tools come with it? It's been sitting in the rain forever. Not bad. 150 OBO, huh? Got an Xbox right there. This place must be pretty cool. What? Replicas of these things and everything. That's dope, man. Replica Disney pieces. That's pretty cool. Let's see what kind of Hot Wheels right here. Stuff that we have, GTRs, C8s. They do have this blue Subaru. I have that one as well. So, a bunch of Hot Wheels. They sell for like $5. You buy at the store for $1. Stickers, patches, patch over the party. This guy's pretty lit. Springs. Oh yeah, suspension, air ride suspension for your bugs and stuff like that. Wood brakes. Massive shifter in there. Really nice bucket seats. Nice Ellis engine swap in here. Looks like natural. Corvette shirts for sale. So many cars, man. This place definitely does not disappoint. A lot of classic cars for sale. Never seen so many classic cars for sale unless it was a public auction or something. These things are hell to work on. 19K, not bad. Still very pricey. El Camino, 24K. Sheesh. 12K for that one. Imagine putting a Hellcat engine in that thing. Hell no, you blow the wheels right off. Right-hand drive Beetle. I've seen 2 of those all day. Wow. I really want one of those Beetles. They even got the new cars for sales, guys. 2020 Dodge Ram, or even keep it old school and classic. I know one booth, Haggerty. They got a nice classic Mustang sitting outside. I think it's a Shelby GT350, I believe. I like how the black and gold, that's kind of tradition for those things. This also has been in different meets, a bunch of lowrider meets. I do have a little preview of that van on one of the previous lowrider meets. The next video that will be posted up, guys, this Saturday will be the 22nd. There's obviously a few meets happening on this Saturday, but some news. Obviously, you know, these events cost money, guys. Cost money to get out here, cost money to get in here. So on that note, I think at the end of the month I'm gonna start slowing down on these events, guys. Please hit that subscription button, guys. Let's not fail. Let's keep on growing, obviously. And you know, we're just gonna keep on growing and get those subscriptions up. And there's tons of videos, tons of content, guys. Go ahead and like scroll through the channel, watch all the different videos. Make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, families, and goats. Help your boy grow out, you know, until of course I get the Fiat fixed and I come back out here, because that thing needs money, and you know, that's where all my money is going to. But definitely, guys, as always, you know, it's been a pleasure showing you guys around, and stay safe and stay chill.